Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy domain from Namecheap, and this is Namecheap. So if you want to buy domain, go to these domains. If you want to buy hosting, you go to hosting. But in this video we are going to buy just domain only. If you want to buy domain, just go to this domain, click on domain name search. So yeah, you can add the name of the domain you want to buy, and before you buy domain, make sure you know the renewal price of the domain. So if you click on this .com, so if you scroll down, you will see the initial 1 year plan, but after the 1 year you are going to pay this to renew the 1 year. So it's better to know the renewal price of your domain. So yeah, if you want to search for the domain name you want to buy, just add the name of the domain. So after that, just click on search. So under this search button, so you can see this .com is taken, so you can choose other extension. So if the domain extension you are looking for is not available, you can either change the name or change the extension. It depends. So you can change .com to .co, or you add something here to differentiate it from this already taken domain. So I'm going to buy .site. So this is the .site. So I'm going to use this particular lane with step.site. So if you want to add your domain to cart, just click on add to cart. So this is the total amount I'm going to pay for the first year. So after adding your domain to cart, click on check out, confirm order, create a new account. You're going to fill this information, add your username, password, confirm password, first name, last name, and email. If you want to be receiving newsletter from Namecheap, you check this one. If you don't want to be receiving newsletter, you uncheck it. So when you are done, you click on create and continue. So after registering account, you're going to see this payment method. So where you add your card, you add your card name, you add your card number. So you add your first name, you add your last name, home address. Make sure you fill all this information and you select your country. So after adding all this information, click on continue to make your payment. So you're going to see this payment. So after that, just click on pay now. So Namecheap will process your payment and you will see this thank you for your purchase. So if you want to go to your dashboard, go to this place and click on dashboard. So when you click on dashboard, you're going to see your Namecheap dashboard, and this is the domain we just purchased. And if you want to manage your domain, like if you want to change your domain name server and other DNS, so go to manage. So here you can see your domain. So you can also change your domain name server. If you want to point it to another hosting, you can use a custom domain name server and add your hosting name server. And here we have the advanced DNS. So if you want to use a DNS, maybe connecting hosting or other email and other things to your domain, so you are going to see the DNS here. And this is how you can buy domain from Namecheap. So don't forget to like, follow if you find this video useful. Thank you.